With cold and flu season just around the corner, boosting your immunity is very important than ever. What if I told you there is one simple drink that can supercharge your immune system naturally? Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful recipe that is going to help you to fight off infections and keep feeling you best all year round. Stick around for this number one immune boosting drink that you can start making today. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. We all know strong immune system is the key to staying healthy and also not getting sick during the cold season as well as viral season, which is coming up soon. First, I'm going to share with you all the ingredients of this drink and how they support your immune function. The very first ingredient of this drink is green tea. Green tea contains catechins like EGCG, which actually helps to modulate your immune function. The EGCG is a very powerful anti-inflammatory substance. Along with that, it also enhances your immune cell response by regulating the cytokine levels in your body. These cytokines are responsible for boosting your immune function and also helps fighting off several viral, bacterial infections in your body. And by boosting these cytokine levels, this green tea helps boost your immunity and also keeps your immune function in good shape. The second ingredient in this drink is Moringa leaves. Yes, Moringa leaves are one of those powerful natural ingredients which has several health benefits. They are very high in flavonoids. They contain several different kinds of vitamins. They contain several different kinds of antioxidants. We have research studies which supports that Moringa leaves by modulating your immune function in your body as well as by working on strong antioxidant properties, it reduces inflammation in the body. Moringa leaves are especially important for people whose immunities are weak, like autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto's disease. For those people, Moringa leaves can boost their immunity so that they can prevent getting any further infections. The next ingredient is ginger. Ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties by compounds called gingerols into it. They help you to combat infections, especially respiratory related infections. So if you do get sinus infections or bronchitis or any kind of asthma symptoms, then ginger can be very, very useful. It has been shown that consuming ginger during the cold and the flu season reduces your chances of getting all of these viral infections for your body. The next ingredient over here is cloves. Yes, cloves do not get the limelight they should be getting, especially because they have a powerful compound called eugenol. Eugenol has antiviral as well as antimicrobial properties. It supports your respiratory health, inhibits any kind of bacterial and viral infections by strengthening your immune function. So this should be a part of your winter regimen for sure to fight off any infections in the future. The last ingredient over here is lemon. Lemon is very high in vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells in your body. The white blood cells are responsible for fighting any kind of infection in your body, whether it is viral, bacterial. And lemon is the best source of getting vitamin C on the natural basis. These are all the ingredients of this drink. Now, how to prepare this drink? So to prepare this drink, you need 1 cup of water and bring it to a gentle boil. Then the first ingredient to add over here is ginger. So it is best to use fresh ginger. 1 inch of grated ginger is what you add to this first. Then you add some moringa leaves to it. Or if you do not have moringa leaves, then you add some moringa powder to it. Either half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. And then you add 2 or 3 whole cloves to this water. And then you let it simmer at low flame for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Then you remove it from the heat and then you add a green tea back to it and let it seep for the next 3 to 4 minutes. And then after that, you strain this mixture into a cup and then squeeze 1 lemon into this drink. You can also add half a teaspoon of honey just to give you a little bit of sweetness as well as add some immune boosting properties that way too. You can enjoy 1 cup once a day or even twice a day if your immune function is really compromised of this particular drink. This drink really works very quickly in boosting your immune system, but I recommend using this drink throughout the whole season of winter so that your body's immunity is doing great and you do not get any infections, or it reduces the severity of those infections. So this is an easy 1 cup recipe by boosting your immune function on the natural basis. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and share your experience in the comment section. Please share this video with your loved ones so that they can also be healthy during the festival season which is coming up. I hope you enjoy this video. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.